So today we'll be discussing about Apollo for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar on the agency level, you can find for App Marketplace here, and you can search for Apollo. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. It's up to you. I'm choosing this one. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Apollo for workflows. It is just taking a while, almost there. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving forward towards the sub account. Here we are on the sub account now. In the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration, find for Apollo. Now what we have to do is to get it configured. To do that, so we have to set up an account with Apollo, and in the settings you can find for the API key, and you can just copy paste it here and submit. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on our Apollo account. I have already settled the account, but I will be showing you the navigation towards the API key now. In the navigation bar on the left side, you can find for the settings. It is. After that, you can find for the integrations in the settings. When you're here, down below, you can find for the API key. You have to connect that. After doing so, we are here, and in the navigation bar, you can just find for the API keys. Here we are. You have to create new key, name that, add description, and just create API key. Here we are. You can just see it, copy it, and paste it there, like I have already did it. Submit, and that's how you get it configured. It is succeed now. Now moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow builder to check on the actions are working correctly or not. In the navigation bar above, you can find for automations, and on the top right, you can find for the create workflow start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. Find for Apollo. Here it is. These are the actions provided by Apollo for workflows. You can just use these actions and automate your workflows as you want. Let's just create a new contact. I will be using the static data to just set an example at the moment to just let it execute and see what happens next and we have done it correctly or not. Save this action, create some notes with that to update your contacts. Add to notes. Find for custom values down here. It is Apollo for workflows. We had created the contact, and let's just use any of the things you want to update. Add some text. Save this as well. Now we will be testing our workflows. To do so, find any contact for the time being and run this test. Head towards the execution logs. As you can see, both of the actions, create contact and the notes, both of them are executed successfully. That simpler it is. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.